Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl FBD. I want to show you guys how I make my cocoyam crisp. So all I'll need today is just my cocoyam tuber. So first off, I'll start by peeling the yams. So now that I'm done peeling this, I'll have to go and wash them off. So guys, I have my cocoyam properly washed, and the next thing for me to do is to go ahead and slice them out. I'll be using my vegetable chopper here. You guys have seen it in some of my previous videos, so I'll be using this to slice them out thinly. So guys, can you see how thin this has been sliced? You can have a look at this. So now this is the cocoyam. I'm going to add some salt just to make that easier. Now it feels different. Now that I'm done with this, I'll need to add some salt to taste. Some of them are still stuck together, so you just use your hand to separate them so that the salt can get in there. So I'm going to leave this for like 5 to 10 minutes before I start frying. So guys, it's time for us to fry. Top your oil in a pan. I'm using this small pot because I want to deep fry. Now the oil is hot and we're going to be frying on a medium heat. So what you need to do now is to dip in your cocoyam one after the other. So we're not going to throw everything in all at once. So guys, you can see that the color has changed a little bit golden brown. I'm going to take them out. So we're done guys. Let's have a look at this. Can you feel how crunchy that is? So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys love this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do that and consider liking this video as well. Till I come your way again next time, stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.